Hi, my name is Rohit Sinas and I co-founded SuggestionBox.tips along with my friend and business partner Amiya Deshpande, who is currently in India. SuggestionBox.tips is an online platform to help business owners gather feedback from both customers as well as their employees. So we have both public as well as private suggestion boxes. So this video is basically to explain briefly on what SuggestionBox.tips does, why we started it, what we are doing currently, where we are going, etc. So back in 2015, early 2015, Amiya and I were running a company called Setpo Other Technologies. And it was during this time that a client of ours had asked us to help him gather feedback from his customers. This client was facing unusually low footfalls in his store and very few return customers. So this seemed like a relatively straightforward task, and so we set out without much thought. It was only once we actually got into the process of gathering feedback for this client of ours that we realized what a nightmare it is. Our client's feedback was scattered all over the internet: Facebook, Twitter, Google Forms, SurveyMonkey, emails, review websites, his own website feedback mechanism, and the list goes on. And what's worse was that most of the feedback was actually negative. So we thought to ourselves, this seemed a bit strange. Something as critical as feedback and as easy to implement. It's one of the easiest management tools available out there, and yet the most underutilized. So why was feedback not being addressed more effectively? So we thought, let's see if we can build something a little better, something that will help not only the business owners but also customers and employees to voice their opinion more freely. So in April 2015, we started working on something, and we wanted to solve two pain points. One was the problem of scattered feedback, and the second was the problem of negative feedback online. We wanted to make something or the portal more easily accessible, so consumers and users who had a positive experience are more inclined to leave their feedback and leave their positive experiences online for other users as well to see, and this will eventually help the business owner. So in August 2015, we launched SuggestionBox.tips in beta with this one client of ours as our only customer, and the response was honestly quite overwhelming and really heartening. We saw the user engagement drastically increasing. We saw much more positive feedback and an overall better experience for both the business owner as well as the user. So this carried on for a month or two, and unknown to us, Google had indexed our website. So now we were getting requests from around the world from people who wanted to use our suggestion boxes and wanted to know if it's available to them. So we then used the Google Keyword Planner tool to check how many people really require the solution. And what we found was that there are almost 30,000 searches online per month for an online suggestion box. And this is for the exact phrase online suggestion box. When you start including phrases like employee suggestion box or feedback and analytics, etc., and if you include other languages, French, Spanish, German, etc., the number of searches online per month for the solution is almost close to 100,000. So Amiya and I thought we have something on our hands. We've got a product, we've got a solution that people actually want. So we both quit what we were doing at Setpo Other Technologies, and we invested our time full time on SuggestionBox.tips from August to say late September 2015. So now SuggestionBox.tips is live. You can visit it at SuggestionBox.tips. We now provide all the tools a business owner needs to effectively address feedback. So you have a survey form, you have an opinion poll, you have voting mechanisms within your suggestion box. you have just the basic suggestion box where users can drop open-ended feedback. We have analytics as well, and so we are trying to build the complete package for a business owner. And with the private boxes, we are encouraging employers to use our solution with their employees as well. So this can be used within teams, within our small office teams, and the likes. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching this video, and see you soon on suggestionbox.in.